Indoni, Mr. Cultural South Africa, who will be representing their culture and our country into next year. And that winner is please give it up for Mr. Indoni, the Temple King, Sive and Ndodana. Cultural South Africa. The woman who has been chosen as the young person who best exemplifies the values and principles of her culture. The lady